we Faridians are here participating in the ATL Marathon 2024. Myself, Saurabh Singh, with my colleagues,
Parvinder Singh. My name is Abhijit Kamal.
are here taking a part in the ATL Marathon of the year 2024. As we all know, the year 2024 started with so many natural disasters, which included earthquakes, tsunamis, and so many more. Therefore, we came up with an innovative system and the solutions to some of the natural disasters that include the earthquake, forest fires, or house fires, and a solution to prevent robberies. Let us see some real life applications of our project. First of all, we have the tripwire system. I would like Abhijit to explain this project.
So here we have done the locker is has been circumscribed by a laser. Whenever a robber or a burglar crosses a laser, then a buzzer will beep and all the lights on the roads will be turned red. So it can indicate it that anything mishappened has happened somewhere and all the people can came and help or whether call the police. So next I would ask to Parjinder to explain.
Here we have a forest fire system which will detect the forest fire or any smoke near the surface. We have used arduino, a gas sensor, a buzzer.
Let me show you the real life application of this. As we can see,
So we have the smoke now.
here we have an earthquake system. As we can see, if I strike this box a little bit, the buzzer starts to ring. Here we have came up with a solution to detect earthquakes. Here we have a simple circuit that is connected to a buzzer and a switch. We can turn it on or off anytime we want. These all of the sensors that we shown to you in this project are connected to these LED lights. Whenever any of such sensors work, for example, if we take the forest, in this case, when the Arduino gives sensor to the smoke alarm, it sends a ring to the buzzer and all the LED lights started to glowing red. This indicates that all of the citizens situated or living in a particular region can come to know whether there is a miss happening. Same goes for the robbery system and same goes for the earthquake system. Everything is connected to the LED lights. In this project, we didn't compromise with any quality of anything. This is cheap and efficient and can be afforded by any section of the society. Thank you.